Good day and welcome to the Microwave Paradox, a game by Serious Daniel. Looked highly rated on itch.io, so I figured I'd go ahead and give it a shot myself. Um, right now the volume is very loud, so I kind of turned it down, but in my ears I'm like ringing right now, so we're gonna jump in. Hopefully the sound will stop for me. You guys shouldn't have an issue though. A very big microwave producing company provided you the super microwave for testing purposes. Now you are going to test your new microwave with different types of food. Oh, thank God. Who has a
Hello.
house line?
Thanks for agreement to participate in our super microwave testing. We hope you will get the best experience with your super microwave. In order to get better experience, we recommend you to watch the video tutorial, which will teach you how to use the microwave provided by our company.
Oh, did they hang up? No goodbye, no see you later, no have a nice day. Rude. Hey, Burger. My house is a mess right now. What is this on the floor? Crouch. Condorillo. Chaos? Oh, Kara's. I have a nice city apartment. Smog's looking awfully thick today, though. Must be in LA. Anything else? Can I interact with anything? No. Got a quaint little apartment. Ow! Washer and dryer in one. Nice, nice. What are you? Is that cat food? What the hell is that? Hold up, hold up. I'm not crazy, right? There was something that peeked out and then came back, right? Excuse me. Alright, where are my instruction manual? Hold up. An instruction manual, right? Okay, that's just opening it. Oh, fuck you. Do I not have an instruction manual? Oh, there we go, TV. I'm trust you already, microwave. Pretty sure I saw you earlier. Oh, put it in the TV, that works.
The super microwave can become your best friend. It can help you to make your food better. It can even watch a movie with you. You have absolutely no reason to not to trust your microwave. Attention, microwaves cannot talk. If your microwave started to talk with you, then follow next steps. First, make sure there is nobody hidden inside the microwave, because microwaves don't talk itself. Second, try to isolate yourself from the super microwave.
What?
It is better to lock all your
What do you mean?
Put the super microwave outside. Don't worry, your life is safe now. And finally, try not to talk and interact with microwaves.
What?
Some aspects of the effect of microwaves on humans are not yet fully understood.
You gonna talk to me? Are you gonna try talking to me later? What are you?
In this tutorial, you will learn how to use your new super microwave. First of all, open your super microwave.
I don't trust that
and put
microwave.
your food into the super microwave. Then close the door and wait a little. Next, when the super microwave doing its job, you can
Doing
inject
its
the
job?
food and enjoy.
Inject the food. Why am I injecting the food?
Pay attention. You should use microwave only to work with food. It is
Uh-huh.
highly restricted to put any other objects into the microwave.
Is there another tape anywhere? Third tape? Third tape? Third tape. Figures it. Oh, I don't mean to pick up boxes. Okay, wait, can I pick up more? Anything hidden? Something's gonna be hidden, right? It can't just let me pick up everything for no reason. Look. Yep, I can pick everything up for no reason. I gotta get it out of my way. I can't walk over it. Alright, Mr. Microwave. Heat up my burger. Oh, no. Yeah. There we go. Better come out as a tasty, perfect burger, Mr. Super Microwave. I'm not gonna eat it. Hello? Just drop it. Alrighty. Donut. Open my cabinets at all? Hello? I'll put a third donut in. Anything else want to start freaking out on me? I made a huge mess. I think it's cat food. What if I just put all the food in there? Hold up. Oh. Much food. Okay. Okay. Soda is gonna blow up. Most soda I know that goes in the microwave would blow up. Oh hey, I landed that perfectly on there. Stuff a box in there, okay. What else am I supposed to put in here? Like... Do I have any other food? Oh. Who's calling at this hour? It is late.
You have broken the microwave, which our company provided to you in testing.
Uh-huh.
You are a pathetic and worthless person who don't deserve to own our super microwave. Our sales manager will now come to your house and take your life as a fine.
Wait, what? What? What do you mean take my life as a fine? Hide. Oh my, what is going on? Why do I have an alarm system in my house like this? What in the hell are you? I guess don't break your microwave or else he'll come get you. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a lovely day.